Come back. So today I'm going to be your guide on how to use Instagram very well and invective and everything on Instagram. So let's get started and move with me and follow my step, and you make sure you watch this video to the end so that you're able to get everything about how to do on your Instagram. But before that, guys, please subscribe. It helps a lot. Now let's go. Now once you go to your Play Store, you download your Instagram, and you enter your Instagram, you sign up. Now this one you're going to do. Now this is it. I just created this. I can't now. So if you don't know how to create your Instagram account, please search or you look at the next video here. It's going to take you there, watch it and create an Instagram account successfully. Now on our Instagram account, we have a lot of things to do here. Now let me show you. If you want to post on your Instagram account, this is the plus menu button here is for posting story. Is it your reel? Is it your post? Is it your story? You want to click anything you can say. If you click on your story, it's going to take you directly to your gallery in which you can choose anything you want to post. Is it a post? You want to post a picture? You want to post anything? You can go through everything here. Now for post, a post is for only, you can say, you can do